Is your iPhone refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Frustrating, right? Whether you're stuck at home or on the go, having no Wi-Fi can feel like you've lost your lifeline. But don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got the solution. Let's fix your Wi-Fi connection in just a few easy steps. We've all been there. You try to connect to Wi-Fi, but your iPhone just won't budge. The issue could be from something as simple as a glitch or a bigger setting issue. Either way, we'll guide you through some quick fixes to get you back online in no time. First up, let's start simple. Sometimes a quick toggle of the Wi-Fi switch can do wonders. Open your settings and tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Try connecting to your network again. This basic step might just solve the problem instantly. If toggling Wi-Fi didn't work, it's time to take it a step further by resetting your network settings. Go to Settings greater than General greater than Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode to confirm. This will reset your Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth connections, and VPN settings to default. But don't worry, your data stays safe. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Hopefully, it's back up and running. Outdated software can also cause connection issues. To make sure that's not the case, let's check for updates. Head to Settings greater than General greater than Software Update. If there's an available update, tap Download and install. Your iPhone will restart to complete the update. Once that's done, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi again. Now that your Wi-Fi is working again, let's make sure it stays that way. Clear storage. Free up space by deleting unused apps or files. Sometimes, a full storage can cause connectivity problems. Update iOS regularly. Keep your software updated to avoid future issues. Disable background apps. Close any apps running in the background that might be eating up your bandwidth. And that's it. Your iPhone should be back to connecting to Wi-Fi smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Have any other iPhone issues?
Let us know in the comments below. Stay connected.